Hi guys, this is Vinil Rahul. Welcome to my channel. How you all andre ela unnaru? So if anybody is watching my videos first time without missing, do subscribe so you can watch all my videos without missing. So na first time na videos చూస్తుంటే మర్చిపోకుండా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఏ వీడియో కూడా మిస్ కాకుండా చూడొచ్చు. So guys, today my last day in Karnataka trip. It's been 50 days. From 50 days without gap I'm roaming all over Karnataka. I have made so many videos. So I completed a Karnataka trip. Now from Mysuru I'm going to Kerala. So guys, as we know in Unlock 4.0, as central government has said, like no need any e-pass to travel any state. But the thing is, I heard, even I really don't know, but I heard you need to carry e-pass to travel Kerala. There are so many people that will no need e-pass and all, but even I really don't know. But I'm going to the Kerala right now. Don't miss this video. Without skipping, watch video till end. I will cover each and everything. How to go, is there any procedures, everything I'll cover. So as we can see there, it's a Gundalpeta. From Mysore, once you have to go through Gundalpeta. So it's a Gundalpet. From here we have to take a right turn. So if you take a right turn, just 47 kilometers we can enter into the Kerala state. So I will cover each and everything guys, like procedures, what they are asking. So without skipping this video, watch till end so you will understand everything. So I think I have to take right turn from here. Yes, yeah. So this is Wayanad route. From here I think 40 to 50 kilometers we have to go straight route. We'll get Wayanad, and the border name is wait, I forgot the border name. I'll tell you once I reach there the border name. This is the entry border guys. Remember, before you are applying e-pass for Kerala, you have to mention the entry, like entry check post. That is very important because they'll check everything there. I'll give you the link also, like how I booked this, like e-pass and all. I'll keep that link in my description, so you can, through that link you can check. So I think there is one check post. I think this is the border or what? I don't think so. Wait, I think they are stopping. Why? Guys, this is not check post, but it's a normal check post. Like it's not like checking e-pass and all, but they are checking my baggage things, my luggage, whether maybe I'm carrying something, like anything. So they are checking like that. So they didn't ask any e-pass and all here. I think we'll check a little bit, we'll go and we can see. So without skipping, watch this video till end. You'll get the exact information about whether we need e-pass or not. In case if we need e-pass, what to do. 1 second. Here also they are checking. Oof, here also they are checking. I think they are not stopping two-wheelers. I think they are stopping only four-wheelers here. Okay. So no need here e-pass. Actually it's Kerala only, but still we didn't enter into proper Wayanad and all, because still we are in entry. I think here also they are stopping. Oof. Wayanad. Guys, we need e-pass. Yes, we need e-pass to enter into Kerala state. Yes, don't listen anyone words here. They are not allowing without e-pass, and there is so much procedures are there here. I think it will take minimum 2 hours. So as he said, we'll check. So there are 3 steps are there. First step, we have to give our details. The second step they'll check our ID proofs and all. The third step, they'll do corona test here only. Yes, they'll do corona test, and on the spot they'll give you the results. If you get negative, then only they will allow to the Kerala, otherwise you have to go back. So the first step here, we'll see, we have to give our details here. So many people are there guys, it will take time. So as you can see this here this officer is taking our details and all, like that is first step. This is the second step, guys. So once if it is done with first step and second step, here you have to give your ID cards and everything. You have to show your ID cards and you have to show the e-pass. Everything here you have to show. They are taking all my details here. I mean address, whatever is there in my Aadhaar card.
Coming from
Bangalore. Yeah.
It's taking too much time. So done. Now I have to go for corona test. Yes, I'm getting scared because this is the first time I'm going for corona test. So here they'll do corona test, and within 10 minutes they'll give you results. And if you have, if you got negative, then only they will allow you. Otherwise, you have to go back. Otherwise they'll put in quarantine. I really don't know, but we'll check. I'm getting scared because I have planned so many things in Kerala. I'll check. Shit, for the first time corona test, guys, trust me, it's really hell. It's literally hurting, my nose. It's paining. It's not paining, it's hurting. They kept something in my nose and inside. It's really, it's hurting. I can't even. They're checking. This is the first time I gave for corona test. So I think I have to wait a minimum 10 minutes. Guys, for all this procedure, minimum it will take 1 hour. So if you are coming, come early. It will take time. So thank God finally I got negative. Oh my God. So I can go now. They gave this slip. So I have to show this slip outside to the police officer. So he'll give one sticker that I have to put in my, like my bike mudguard, that sticker. So thank God I got negative. So if you get positive, they won't allow, guys. If you get negative, then only they will allow. So once if you come out, so these three steps you just remember, guys. Don't forget. So here you can see left side policies. You have to give your details and everything. You have to show that. Then they'll give you one sticker. You have to put in your bike mudguard.
Oh, why not, sir? Yeah.
registration number
KA03?
അതല്ല നമ്മുടെ രജിസ്ട്രേഷൻ നമ്പറല്ലേ
Okay.
ഇത് ഇതിലുണ്ടാവും മറ്റേ ഫ്രണ്ട് മസ്ഗാർഡിൽ ഒട്ടിക്കണേ ഇങ്ങനെ ഒട്ടിക്കണം കേട്ടോ
Okay, okay.
സ്റ്റിക്കർ ഉണ്ട്
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay.
So finally, thank God I got everything. Again, I'm telling you guys, if anybody want to plan from Bangalore to Kerala or anywhere, I mean, if you want to enter into Kerala, still after unlock 4.0 also, you need to get e-pass. Without e-pass, they won't allow. Today date September 13th. So September 13th, I'm traveling from Mysuru to, I mean from Bangalore only, from Bangalore to Kerala. So don't miss at all. So without e-pass they are not allowing, and the very important thing is it will take minimum 1 hour. So I'm telling it's a minimum 1 hour. So mostly it will take more time. So prepare for that. And if you like this video, don't forget, please do subscribe, and you can watch all my videos without missing. Bye bye guys, thank you so much. Again I'm telling you, without e-pass in Kerala they are not allowing. And I'll give you the link in description. You just follow. It's a domestic app. Again I'm telling you, domestic app. There are 2 websites are there for e-pass. One is domestic, one is emergency. You have to use domestic. Bye bye.